Hey guys, make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake people make when replacing fuses relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Mercedes E Class, that generation right here, from year 2010 to year 2016. This is known as generation W212. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where the glove box, cigarette lighter, socket fuse is located, if it doesn't work, always check that fuse. We'll explain where you can find it, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays, and a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time, and why it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Now, if you have a Mercedes E Class, that generation from year 2010 to year 2016-17 guys, this is the W212 guys. We're going to have a video for every single fuse relay on that car, why things do not work, why we're making this one, because we're trying to save you time and money guys. Let's say you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, your car does not start, you need to find where your engine starter fuse relay is located guys, where you can find fuel injection system fuses, fuel pump fuses. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you're back on the road guys. In addition, we'll share where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way you do not waste your money and time. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make guys at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix mechanical, electrical, engine work guys, body work, a little bit of everything. And we have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars guys in free repair videos. Check it out if you need help with that. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So the glove box, cigarette lighter, socket, where you can expect to find it, we'll demonstrate that on that generation Mercedes E Class here. This is the pretty facelifted model, this is the facelifted model. It will work for both guys. You have multiple fuse boxes, and today we'll be working in just one, and that fuse box is under the hood. Open the hood. Now, here on the driver's side, okay, or if you face the engine on the right side, you have a cover. Open that cover, you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So it is super important guys to always test fuses and relays, and something else as well, common mistakes people make. Sometimes you may think that a fuse is good, or you cannot actually see if the fuse is clearly burned, and in that case guys, you may put the fuse back together and you may end up spending money and time on parts you don't need, and all we had to do is just test the fuse. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse. It takes only a few seconds to find out for sure if it's good or bad. The same thing for relays guys, okay? Some of those could be really expensive on cars, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below how you can test relays. And for some certain fuses guys, it's important to disconnect the car battery when removing them, otherwise you can burn the electronics. And for instance, working on airbags, fuses or anything like that, you need to wait at least 1 hour after disconnecting the car battery. And if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbag system, I will never recommend to do that guys. But when disconnecting the car battery guys, okay, common mistake people make, it's important to know which battery terminal you reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn electronics modules. How we know about that? We burn before the traction control module on BMW that cost us $2,000 guys. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below which battery terminal to disconnect first. Check it out for your convenience. So the glove box, cigarette lighter, socket, where you can expect to find it guys. If you need to buy any fuses, spare fuses, relays, parts, tools at a really good price and quick shipping, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them for your convenience guys. Check it out, that way you do not waste your money and time. Next to every fuse you have a number. It could be on the left or the right side, okay? But it shows you which fuse you're looking at. For the glove box cigarette lighter, we need to check fuse number 9, and we're talking about this 15M fuse right here that you need to check. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.